Hello, friends! What do we have here? Family photo? And that would be stepfather. Your Photoshop skills are fantastic. Fantastic enough to make my baby cry. Huh? Dude, whose side are you on? Stepfather, you've got this whole turbo evil thing down pat. Don't cry, baby. Mom!
Bye, hun!
Yoo-hoo! Don't you know? It's Father's Day! Yes, the real father! You have to do something. Pops clears the table! Such hard work! Ugh, the back! Painting up a storm, I see! Not for long. Dad, I think you're taller than that table. Wait a minute. Cloud steps? So cool! What's this supposed to be? You're adding walls? It's a super secret clubhouse! Pop 'em holes out! Yeah! All you gotta do now is chillax. What's this? We'll just blow it up! Dad! I think I'm starting to get Mom! Run! Ouch! Oh, hello! You better run! A cake explosion! And that's how you paint a house! Bye, Stepdad! Let's get to work. Little known fact about Pops. He's the last known airbender. Step Pops, sorry about the dust. Must have left the window open or Dad's airbending. What the? A ball pit? On the roof? I'm crying, it's beautiful. Whee! Party time! Kissy Missy! You are so invited to the clubhouse! Wow! Go on now! Dad traces on Kissy! Looking good, buddy! Go! Pop a hole in a dark box and… Yes! Use a light to project the drawing! Now you can trace a pic of Kissy! Even if you're as bad at doodling as Pops! Don't forget to decorate the windows, too! Oh yeah, baby! Nice work! Cut a slit in the dots and glue them together tighter! Now, you have a perfect bubble ball! Way cool! Pop it too! That's so smart! Woo! Now, a drink! Dad, that's glue! 2 plus… Take a break, stepfather, and give us some glitter! Mix it up! And paint! You can get your glitter anywhere else. It's tight in here. Jeez! I mean, what's a boy gotta do around here to stretch his legs? Oh! A pool noodle! Tear it in half. Nice one, Pops! Down you go! Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Ugh. Am I hungry? Look at that! Stat! These mountains make a perfect mat! We're getting comfier by the minute! Nice! Oh! We'll have to borrow that! Hey! Dad! How rude! Cut slits in your toilet paper! Show us the final product! Oh, it's gorgeous! Perfect for our walls! Oh, so fluffy! And fun! And we got to prank stepfather! Who's this guy, eh? No head needed! Oh! Nice save, Pops! Oh, poor Blue! Let's fix this cutie up! Make him into a pillow! Nice going, Pops! Aww. What's going on here? Oh la la! Just pop it! What's in there? Cheer! Are you done? Dad! Dad is never done! Are you making a mini house? Oh no! Dad will do one better! A Pop-It Cube! Unlimited pops! You can build whatever you can pop! There'll be chairs! That's awesome! Tea, candy, you got it, princess! And a skate! Yeah! Dad knows exactly what to skate with his back. Well, after you, buddy. Woo! Baloney! Come here, buddy, old pal. Pop it! All right, what's next? Paint and decorate? Well, all right. Messy, messy. That's how we do. Hey, dude, fancy seeing you here. We've got candy. Don't mind if I do. Perfect piñata. Stepfather, you know the drill, Pops. What a prank. Steal your ex-wife's husband's wallet. Watch this. A paper popper. Dad, you don't have to show us on money. Oh boy, Operation Butterflies was a success. No, not his ID. There goes the credit card. Dad, why oh why? String those cutouts on a long string. Now you have the cutest bead curtains ever. And they don't cost more than a dime. Unless you use your cash. Oh! Help me out here, pal. He wasn't using it anyway. Wrap it around and round. Oh yeah! You got this thingaroo. Wait, what is it? He puts it on the walls and he's adding bows? Wowza! I know! He's decorating it. That means it's a vanity. A bit of gummies, glue. Psh, that's so last season.
And then she was like, I'll have a salad. A salad, yes.
I'm sure he's not gonna miss this one. Barbie, no! Delivery! Rawr! Miss Delivery Gal, don't ask. What's in the box? iPhone? Puzzle? Right! Put them all together now. You got it right. One by one now. Done! What? Everything's 10 times the fun with funny circles. They can be all kinds of colors. Just find a pattern and spray. Hip hip hooray! Dad, I can't wait to see it all done. Now what, you ask? How about a game of Twister? Hand green. Awesome! Right on blue and Yahoo! What could possibly be it now, man? Let's see. Ooh, need some paint. Pink, of course. Come on, Daddy-O. This is an intense project. Put your back into it. Woo! Pink. Done. What's a pink princess castle without some actual princesses?
I mean, come on.
Dad is a genius. Curtains are going up. That looks awesome, Daddy-O. Open it up. Add a doll sign. OMG! A real-life doll box. This room rocks. Look, honey.
Whee! I love it! Wowie! Whoa! Ooh! Poke! Candy time!
I think she's happy.
Want a bite? Nom.
No, I don't wanna. Ah! Piñata! Whee! Oh yeah! Party! What's this? Ball pit equals discovered! Yippee! Fun! Fun! Double trouble! Wow! And that's not all! Whoa! Yeah! Strike a pose! Oh no, he's back! And he's looking for baby Win! Let's play whack-a-mole! Huh?
Player one,
Ready! Oh yeah! Bonk! Bonkity! Boop! The fun is never ending! I think stepfather learned his lesson. Don't mess with the mini-me's.
Now, where do we start? We'll follow Uni's lead. She's the magic one after all. Hearts. Cool! Wow! Let's take care of this old thing. Sorry, Bee. Your rainbow's no match for this magic! Holy awesome! Ta-da! I love it! Rainbow Angel! Yippee! Hugs! So cute! Now it's time to stay quiet, kitty. Here I am! Let's swipe all this off. Flip the table. Hey, what's this? Yay! Exactly what I need to build the walls. Be sure you have some glue to keep the cardboard walls up. And find the perfect paw stencil. Let's fill in the paint. You can paint as many as you want. Do you smell that? Ooh, perfect! I can use this for the carpet inside. Let's roll it out. Is that an opening? Wow! Crunch, crunch. This bowl of milk and cereal will get the job done. Let's poke it through the hole. Amazing! It's like a mini window. Check out these Legos. It's a little Lego trail. I can use these to build a chair together. They fit so perfectly and add so much color. Just need a pillow for comfort. And some cute little toys. The house is almost ready. These puppets are the final touch. Kitty can play with them too. Just cover the surface area of the roof like this. It's so colorful. Wah! What's this? Oh, another bowl. Time to do some landscape design. All we need is some soil and cat-friendly seeds. Watch them grow. We can place some dry food in the middle. So cute! Matches perfectly. We're almost ready. Hey there, Haggy Waggy. Mind if I borrow this? I'll need your smile too. This bottle will look just like you. Add the arms and legs. Now I can carve out the front, so there can be a place for kitty litter. What a fun way to go to the bathroom. I know she'll love this outside her home. Do you hear that? Ooh, sounds like a party. I want to dance. Hey there, ladies. Mind if I borrow some pom-poms? Let's line these up on a string. Boop, boop, boop. Wow, it's so pretty! Be sure to put a poof ball at the end. It's now a decoration for the kitty house. Check it out! It's a party house now. I love it so much. I think Kitty will have so much fun playing. I spy with my little eye something. Running through the bathroom. Don't mind me. Let's pull this. Oops, no thank you. Let's get all this off. Now we're talking. Kitty is gonna love this. Fishy. Smells so good. Hang each one up by the tail. Wow! Lick. Hee-hee! Time to do some research. Tap, tap. We need a drinking bowl. Ooh, this is perfect. Yes! Let's pour some water. Wow, it's like a fountain. Glug, glug. Pringles! Yum! I just need the inner lining. Now we're talking. Let's roll up this jute rope and super glue around the cylinder. It's perfect for cats to scratch their nails on. It came out perfectly. Oh dear, Kitty! Kitty, you can stop cleaning yourself. Time to see your new home. Woohoo! Go play inside. Oh, and don't forget your hat. Explore.
Meow, meow.
This is awesome! Look at all the fish! And the window! What else is there? And check out my climbing post! And the pop-it roof! It's so fun to walk on! Great for cat feet! This bathroom was easy to use! And the drinking fountain is perfect! A little snack! It's the most amazing cat house in the world! Meow-rific! Poppity-poppity-po! No! The horror! Ah! Gasp! No! Ah! I know she's got something in here! No! Oh! It's time, baby! Hang her up! Oh my! A pop-it wall! Rainbow style! Ta-da! Betty, you'd better dry those eyes! Check it! All we need now is a jungle gym! A pop-it massage? You might be onto something here, Blondie. And now we've got business. Don't mind me. I'll just be watching. Ew! What are these cobwebs doing? I need to refresh this pillow immediately! Place the tape, and then paint it around with acrylics. When you remove the tape, it's like a whole new pillow! Perfect! So nice! I can sleep soundly now. One day, Betty decides we need some flooring. Why not use coal? Oh, girl, interior design is not in your future. Whee! Jess, move! Wow! Whee! Let's just get rid of… Yuck! Meanwhile, Betty gets to work, making a mess. Hey! This is perfect! Betty, you may just have been helpful after all. Let's get to work, my fellow majestic creatures. Oh yeah! Cotton candy colors! It's perfect! Check it out, guys! And that's not all! We need polka dots! Which means, anyone down for a game of Twister? Oh, this rocks! Arm on green. Yes! Leg on blue! And here's my old box of clothes. Don't need that one. Ew, what's that? Plop! Oh my! The puff flower looks perfect on my mirror. I can decorate the whole room with it. So cute! Morning, Betty! What a snore! We'd better get this one comfy. But how? That's easy. Jess, we'll need some balloons. That's right. It's exactly what it looks like. A balloon mattress. But we need a way to rest with no pop. That's easy. An airtight bag is all you need. All the air is gone. Oh my gosh, that's gotta be the coolest bed ever. Hey, Betty! Betty? And pop! Late? Bed! Whoa! Now you're speaking my lingo! This rocks! Thanks, UniJ!